For this particular problem, problem 10, we are asked to find the project's payback. We're given cash flows, and we have to figure out how long it will take to recoup our initial payment amount. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. Of course, we're probably not gonna be able to use Excel for the exam, but just draw out your cash flow series. Okay, and you just gonna have to add these up. Keep adding the amount that you receive as in payments each period until you get to 1,000. Okay, so Excel does that for us. I'm gonna show you what it does. Let me see. So look down here where it says sum. Okay, keep looking down there. So down there where it says sum, it says sum 930, 1260. I know that's too much, so it's gonna be 3 years and a few months. Automatically, I know that narrows my answer choices down to B and E. Okay, so at 930, all right, how much more do we have to get to 1,000? So let's just type 930. Okay, to get to 1,000, it takes $70. 70 more dollars, okay, to get to 1,000. So what percentage of 70? What percentage is 70 out of the next payment? So our next payment is $330. Let's just divide 70 by 330. 0.212121. So we know concretely that our answer is going to be 3 periods, 0.2121. Okay, that leaves us with answer choice B. So remember, all we did is add up or take a running total of how much the sum of each of our periods payments are. Okay, once we get to the place where we're just about at that payment amount, just about at 1,000, which in this case it was 3 periods at 930, that's where we stop. Okay, so it's going to be 3 point something. We take the difference between the remaining balance that we need to recoup our initial cost. In this case, 930 from 1,000 is 70. We take that number and divide it by our next payment amount to get the percentage. Okay, to get the percentage, and we just add that together. So 3.2121 is our answer here.